Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for William. And this is the PSC pump, also known as door lock pump, that is located behind rear seat. This is from the S-class 98 to 99 models, the last 2 years of S-class production. It is slightly different from the pump that is found before 98 and 99 models. That pump, for example, is a 95. So first thing we see is there are more pins on the 95 than on 98 and 99 pumps. Connectors are the same, but the pin out is totally different. Not totally, but there are some differences. Also the manifold arrangements. As you can see here, I had to block off some lines because it's not going to plug in directly to 95 and below vehicle. It's not going to really work there. So these are two pumps that can only, 98, 99 are the only years that you should use original 98 and 99 pump, because the nipples on the 95, as you can see, they're different, whereas in 98 and 99 they're similar, but they're not the same. There's a separate plastic manifold that goes over here. And the reason of this video is I just wanted to show that the pump is repaired and ready to go. There are limited things that I can test, because again, this is a newer pump and this is an older vehicle. The difference between the manifolds, actually, I was going to show you, is because 98, 99 had keys that look like this. The remote fob, this is from a 99 ml, but 98, 99 S classes have same arrangement, 3 buttons, whereas the 95 has only 1 button. So, excuse me. So basically what's going to happen is in the 90, up to 97, up to 98 rather, once you press this button on the remote fob, the middle button, all doors and trunk unlock and lock. Whereas on 98 and 99, you press unlock button once and only driver's door unlock, and then you press it twice, the rest of the doors unlock. So therefore the difference in manifold designs and pump designs. So right now I just want to again, because the pinouts are different, this pump and original 95 pump, they're not really interchangeable. So my testing options are limited, but most important is that the pump shutdown time when doors lock and unlock. So that's what I'm going to show. So basically, diagrams for the interior lock switch is the same from 94, 95, 97, 98, and 99. The circuit is the same. So I can activate door lock and unlock, and it's going to lock and unlock doors. Again, the difference with the remote controls are not going to allow me to use the remote, because you have 3 buttons on the remote that has to be installed with this particular pump, and I only have single buttons. So at least I show you the operation that the pump shuts down. So we'll look at the doorknob, and I'm gonna activate it. Unlocks, and it shuts down real quick. That's very good. And it locks, so it activates also quite fast. So pump does not work over time. This is very important, because if it continues running, then you're going to burn the motor. See, it's very quick. So I'm going to, you can hear the pump on the background. Doors must be locked. They have to be closed before you do activation here. Now, it's important to note that the way the pump works now, it's very nice, but you must have no pressure or vacuum leaks in your actuators, in your trunk actuator here. There's a little one inside the trunk here. The trunk, it's located in the trunk, but it actually activates the fuel filler cap. This is it right now. It's locked because the vehicle is locked. So we're going to unlock it. Oh, wrong button. Here. So we unlocked it. It opens now. So usually these things leak. More leaks you have, the more time pump has to work. If it works a lot, then it's going to overheat again. So this car right here, it's a 95 with 70,000 miles, one owner. So I did check all the leaks. Zero leaks on the system in terms of the vacuum or pressure. Therefore, I just connected it to one of the single ports. The rest I closed because we have a little different manifold from 98 and 99. But because system has no leaks, pump activates and deactivates quick, and it also activates door locks, the actuators, fast. That is very important, because if you have leaks, pump will continue running and it will eventually overheat the motor again. So you want to make sure that the speed that your actuators go up and down, the doorknobs, is quick. See, it's this one right here. I'm gonna do it again. That's it. Yeah, that's it. No more, because it senses the error. What I can do, because again, this is a 95 pump, so I can't mess with it for too much. What I can do, now what I should do, is I'll show you activation of the shutoff valve by shorting terminals, so you can see that they deactivate quick. Okay, so here we have a shutoff valve for that particular circuit, and I'm going to just short some terminals. 1 second, let me make a better shot of this. So here is our shutoff valve. So let's activate the pump now. The one on the right there, is the vacuum. The one on the left is pressure. Vacuum is to lock doors, pressure is to unlock doors. Okay, right now I did the cycle, so I should be able to. No, still that's it. It senses the error that it's the wrong pump installed in this vehicle, so therefore doesn't activate with the. If I reset it, it will work again, for example. If I'm going to shut it down, unplug it, and at the same time I'll show you the difference in terminals. So let it sit idle for a minute. As you can see that we have blanks here. We have blanks, whereas on 95 we don't. All pins are present. Also there's second connector, the 6th pin, and 4 pins on the third, whereas on 98, 99, 3 pins on third, 5 pins on second. And also we have some corrosion on this one. That's gonna be fixed. But right now I'm just want to show you that again, you see how this pump works. Okay, therefore I didn't put the cover on, just to show the shutoff valve. Let me put on back this connector. Sorry for choppy video. With one hand it's not very easy to do. Okay, connector is back in. These pumps also communicate with the remote control and alarm module. Remote control meaning infrared, whereas a 9899 is radio frequency. See, it has no infrared. This is a 99 remote. So there are many differences. Therefore, pump would shut down. No, that's not activating because it's still reset. But anyway, you see it works, so it should work. I don't see any issues with it. And because even though I cannot activate it with the button, but I can easily activate it by shorting the terminals. No problems here. It works great. So, but the button won't do because I might try to do the button by resetting door locks. There goes the button. Because again, pump pump doesn't see inputs from remote control and alarm module. See? That's it. But if I activate it, I'll try to open the door and see if I can get this to deactivate. See, it's not, it's because it's a different pump. It won't let me do door switches, different pinouts. Remote control. See, it doesn't respond because different pinouts. Okay, and this is dead. But anyway, so at least for this testing, we succeeded doing so. And again, there's nothing wrong with the pump itself per se, because with the direct shorting of terminals, it does actually work. So it's fine. Yeah, can't short it out no more. Okay. So you see the idea. If it works by shorting it, then it will work without shorting it. Again, if you reset the pump, it takes a little bit to reset, then you can do it with the switch again. But it is what it is. But the pump is perfectly fine. As you see, I ran it for quite a long time, and it's not really that hot, which is what's also very important. By running the pump so many times, if it gets hot, it's going to basically destroy itself. Now this one was in really bad shape. I had to resurface the internals because they were scored badly, and I also had to readjust the pressure on this one, because when they get scored too much, the pressure and vacuum becomes weaker and weaker and weaker, to a point that you can't really, the pump cannot really activate anymore. I also have very weak battery in this vehicle too. That's also a factor. Oh, it's also a big factor. And it's on the trickle charger at the moment, but still might not be enough juice too. But anyway, it's a working pump. I'm confident in it. See, it works now again. Okay, so this is basically it. So this one is repaired. I'm gonna close it down and we'll be ready to go. Again, my battery is on the charger right now, as you can see, because this car has been a long project sitting here for a long time, since winter time. It's summer already, but I'm getting close to finishing this thing. Alright, this was Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. Thanks for watching.